Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when you can't add your phone number to your Steam account. First, open the Steam application on your computer or go to the Steam website. Log in with your account details. Now click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account Details. Here, look for the option called Add a Phone Number. If you already tried adding your number and got an error, we will first make sure your number is not linked to another account. If you have ever created more than one Steam account, try logging into those other accounts one by one. Go to their account settings and check if your phone number is already added there. Steam allows each phone number to be linked to only one account. If your number is already in use, remove it from the old account first. After removing it, wait for a few minutes and then try adding it to your main account again. If your number is not in use on any other account, check that you are entering it in the correct format. Steam requires you to include your country code. For example, if you are from the United States, type +1 followed by your number without the first zero. Also, make sure your mobile plan allows you to receive SMS messages from international numbers, because Steam sends a verification code through text. If none of these methods work, go to the Steam support website, select Account Issues, and submit a support ticket explaining the problem. Include your phone number and mention that you are unable to add it. The support team will verify and help you link your number manually. Thanks for watching.